Okay, I have a Johnston push mower. It's vintage. I have to take it to see if it starts still. I'm going to take it over a friend's house and see if put gas in and see if it starts. I haven't started it within 3 or 5 years. So let me get it there. I think it might have a slight leak, maybe.
Slight hell, I think it leaks big time.
You want to try to start it?
Now you remember where to put it on this one?
I know it's one right there at the bottom, that little lever. Yeah. Nice. How long do you think it might run for? So I remember it kept quitting. Like every about 15 minutes.
I don't know, it should work for a while.
Yeah.
As long as it runs the whole time they got it.
There's your video for the cold start for this Johnston's push mower. It has a slight gas leak. But if you're doing a restoration for this, there couldn't be a better find because it starts, as you can see in the video. It took us a while to get it started, but it's available if you want to come get it. These go on eBay for like $300–400. So that's what I plan on doing, but right now I just don't have the time. So if it doesn't sell locally, that's what I plan on doing. I'm just going to put it on eBay and just sell it that way. So if you're interested, there will be a video link for my YouTube channel for the look at this. Alright, that wraps it up for this video for Johnston push mower. If you're into vintage stuff and want to do a full restoration on this, just contact me through Instagram, YouTube. That's where this link is going to be for this video. Alright, thank you for watching.